How to turn off screenshot sound on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the most easiest fix for this is you can simply put your iPhone to silent mode. As you can see, when your iPhone is not in silent mode, you will hear the screenshot sound. So go ahead and flip the ringer switch to silent on the side of your iPhone, and with this, the screenshot will not make any sound anymore. Additionally, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right of your screen and then go ahead and decrease the volume to its lowest, and with this you will no longer hear the volume for the screenshot sound. Additionally, open Settings and then tap on Sound and Haptics, and further go ahead and lower the ringer and alerts track bar you see there, and with this you will no longer hear the sound for your screenshot too. So these were a few ways on how you can turn off screenshot sound on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.